Hey, this is JR here at CES 2019. We are in the 28th floor of the Westgate Hotel, and right behind me is Focal. They are here to show off their Utopia M series of speakers. This is their new top-of-the-line stuff, replacing the Utopia B top-of-the-line stuff we've been carrying for a while, and it's every bit as ridiculously great sounding as you would expect Focal's best speakers to sound. What you're hearing is their new M-shaped tweeter. It's actually shaped as like an M, and that thing just sounds amazing. The tweeter is capable of going all the way down to 1.5 kilohertz up to 50K. Incredibly wide range, incredibly capable tweeter, so the detail you would expect is certainly going to be there. The mid-range, it's now a 3.5 inch instead of the 3 inch that the Utopia B had. Frequency response on that is all the way down to 200, getting down to that mid-bass all the way up to 10K. There's a 6.5 inch woofer that's going to be responsible for everything from 60 hertz to 6K. And now there's an 8 inch woofer that can go all the way down to 45 hertz, and a 10 inch dual voice coil woofer that can go all the way down to 25 hertz. And Focal, they don't mess around with numbers. If they say it can hit 25 hertz, it can hit it, and it can hit it hard. All of these speakers are available as a complete system as well as a la carte. That's new for this year. The Utopia B, you had to buy the whole thing. The Utopia M, you can buy each speaker individually. You can get as many of each one as you want so that you can amplify them and configure your system whatever works best for your vehicle. So if you're looking for the top of the line car stereo speaker listening experience, it's pretty hard to beat Focal's Utopia M. And I can tell you from listening to them just now that they sound great. The rig that they have set up in there, they have told us they're going to bring it to Crutchfield so that all sales advisors, all of our folks that write the copy and the catalog, everybody will get a chance to hear the Utopia M's in the rig that they've got set up in there. So we're pretty excited to bring it back to Crutchfield in Charlottesville. For now, this is JR at the Westgate with Focal Utopia M.